Contrary to popular belief, natural ghee is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as essential omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids. These nutrients significantly enhance a balanced diet. Let's explore the 5 amazing health benefits of natural ghee. First, ghee improves digestion. It contains butyric acid, a short-chain fatty acid that aids in digestion and reduces inflammation in the intestines, promoting gut health. Second, it boosts immunity. Margarine is rich in vitamins A and D, crucial for a robust immune system. Vitamin A helps produce white blood cells to fight infections, while vitamin D regulates immune function. Third, ghee promotes heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids in ghee help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. A healthy heart means a healthy life. Fourth, it enhances brain function. The high proportions of omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids in ghee are essential for brain health, improving memory, learning, and concentration. Lastly, ghee promotes skin health. Its vitamins A and E are vital for skin nourishment. Vitamin A repairs damaged skin and reduces wrinkles, while vitamin E protects the skin from damage. In the world of cooking and baking, margarine is a common substitute for butter. But have you ever wondered what's in it? Let's take a look at the nutritional value of municipal margarine. In 100 grams of this margarine, you'll find just 0.24 milliliters of water. It packs a hefty punch of 876 calories, which is mainly due to its high fat content. It contains 99.48 grams of fat, including 61.924 grams of saturated fat, 28.732 grams of monounsaturated fat, and 3.694 grams of polyunsaturated fat. What about protein and carbohydrates? Well, there are only 0.28 grams of protein and absolutely no carbohydrates, sugars, or fiber. Now, let's talk about vitamins and minerals. This margarine contains 4 milligrams of calcium, 3 milligrams of phosphorus, and 5 milligrams of potassium. It also has trace amounts of sodium, copper, and zinc. Notably, it provides 840 micrograms of vitamin A, 2.8 micrograms of vitamin K, and small amounts of several B vitamins. However, vitamin C and folate are absent. One important thing to note is that margarine contains 256 milligrams of cholesterol. But what about the health implications? The saturated fats and cholesterol in margarine can be concerning. The American Heart Association warns that consuming oxidized cholesterol, which can occur during margarine production, is linked to heart disease. They recommend that saturated fats make up less than 10% of your daily calories. For those needing to reduce cholesterol, the recommendation is even stricter. No more than 5% to 6% of daily calories should come from saturated fats. Remember, a tablespoon of margarine contains about 40 milligrams of cholesterol, slightly more than butter.